Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that everyone is fine. What about your holidays? Do you all enjoyed it well? Yes. This is our new computer book, Computer Masti. Okay. Shall we start the class now? So here, the first unit is revision of level 7. Okay. This is just the revision of your class 7. You once read this, you will understand. So our second unit is inside internet. Okay, inside internet. Here a discussion about three members, Tejas, Jyoti and then Mose. Okay. So our today topic is about LAN. Okay. LAN. Okay. So here first Teja is saying we had only one computer lab in our school till now. So in our school there is only one computer lab. This year we will have two more such labs and all of them will be interconnected. So this year onwards we will have two more labs. Okay, two more labs and it will be interconnected with each other. Okay, all the labs will be interconnected. We can also access the internet on any computer in any lab, and every computer has an internet access. Okay, and all the labs are interconnected with each other, and all the computer will access the internet. The computers in the office and library of the school will also be on this network. Okay, the computers in office and the library also are also has the internet connection. Okay, so here LAN topic is started. Can you say the abbreviation of LAN? Local area network. LAN abbreviation is local area network. So here Teja is asking, we would like to understand the connections and hardware used to create such a network. So she is asking to understand the connections and how it interconnected with each other and what are the hardware devices we had used in to create such network. Okay, how are the computers and devices connected in our lab? So Mose is asking how are the computers and devices are connected with each other, and Jyoti is saying computers are connected using network labs. Okay, cables, sorry. Computers are connected using network cables. In figure 1 you can see it is a network cable. Okay, one side of the cable is connected to a network port on the computer. Okay, here you can see two ports. This is one port and this is another one. So one side of the cable, this is one side and that one is the other side of the cable. So one cable is connected to our computer and the other to a box with several ports. So this is the box. It has several ports and the one is connected to the other. In computer you can see this is the network port. This is network port. Mostly we use the network port as Ethernet. Okay, Ethernet we use as a network port, and this is called hub or switch. This is a box. Okay, it consists of several number of ports. So this is the port. Okay, this is port. In computer this is the network port. In box these are all ports. It consists of so many ports. Okay, so one end of the cable will connect it to here and the other end of the cable will connect it to any of the places. Okay, there are so many ports, you can connect it any one of this. So here the Mose is saying the box is called a network switch or hub. So this is network switch or hub. Okay, it is used to interconnect computers in a small area and create a network. It is used to interconnect only to the small area. Okay, such a network is called LAN. local area network. Okay, so here you have information as a local area network interconnects computer in a limited area such as home, school, computer laboratory, etc. Okay, a LAN will be connected to only to a small area. It may be your home or school or a computer laboratory, or it may be a library, etc. Okay, cables or low power radio is used for making connections in a LAN. So here we are using cables, or we can use low power radio. This is wired and this is wireless. Okay, are used for making connections in a LAN. Most of them uses cables only. Okay, network cable will be mostly used. Suppose I want to access a file on Jyoti's computer. Does the switch relay the data between our computers through the LAN? So if I want to share any of the data or access the file on someone's data, whether can I use the LAN or not, is asking Tejas. So here first take the page number as 5. You have the information. A computer network is a system of linkages between two or more computers or electronic devices connected together so they can exchange data. Okay, a computer network is a system. It has a link between two or more computers. Okay, it has a link between two or more computers or electronic devices. Okay, or it may be electronic devices like not only computers, like printer or a Wi-Fi, anything. Okay, electronic devices connected together so they can exchange data. Okay, so what is a computer network? It means a link between two or more computers or the electronic devices, such as it may be a laptop, or it may be a printer. Okay, like this, some of the electronic devices connected each other to exchange the data. So here we can exchange the data using LAN. And in page number 6, another two information. A computer network allows computers to share files and applications. Okay, computer network allows you to share the files and the applications. Users can communicate with each other and share devices also. Okay, you can also share the devices also here. Not only the files, applications, and also share the devices. Any computer that needs to be connected to the network has a network interface card. Okay, a computer need to be connected to the network. If you need to connect your computer to the network, we need a network interface card, which is usually built into the motherboard. Okay, it is already built in your motherboard. So here mouse is saying yes, suppose some data has to be sent from your computer A to Jyoti's computer B. The computer A splits the data into smaller chunks called packets. Okay, if I need to share the data to someone's computer, the computer will split the data. It will split the data into smaller chunks, and this is called as packets. Okay, the smaller chunks is called packets. Each packet also has some extra informations. Okay, it also has some of the extra informations other than the data. Okay, which is called header. Okay, the extra information is called header. The address of the sender A and the receiver B are put into the header. Okay, in that header you have the address of the sender A and the receiver. Okay, it has the address of sender and the receiver. Each computer has a IP address. Okay, that is here mentioned as address of the sender and the receiver. Okay, then the computer send the packets to the switch. Then the computer will send the packets to the switches. Switch means that box. This is switch. Okay, so here then the computer send the packets to the switch. The switch has an inbuilt software. The switch has an inbuilt software. It already consists of a software that reads the header of the each packet. Okay, it will read the packet header of the each packet. determines the port at which the receiver is connected. So the switch will know. So here the switch will know who is the receiver and where I need to share those packets. Okay, and forwards the packets to the corresponding cable. Okay, such type of communication in which small unit of data are routed through a network. Routed means way. Okay, such type of communication which is small units of data. So here we have only small. The packets means what? It will divide the data into smaller units through a network based on the destination address. It will share the packet to the destination address contained within each packet is called packet switching. This is called packet switching. So here you have an example as LAN. A printer or a server is connected to the switch or hub, and it also connected to your computer. If you need to take a print, so here you will give us print the some it may be a data or a document. The switch will know the destination where to take the print. So it will pass the message to the printer and it will take the print. Okay. So here what is LAN? LAN abbreviation local area network. It is used to interconnect two or more computers at a limited area. It may be a school or a home or a computer laboratory, etc. Okay. So here you have a network cable. You have a network cable. One end of the cable will connect it to your devices. It may be a computer or a printer or a server, anything. Or it may be a laptop also, one end of the cable. And the other end of the cable will connect it to this hub. Will connect it to this hub. Here there are so many ports. I think there are 5 ports. So you can connect your computer and your printer or your server and also your laptop. So these all devices can able to communicate with each other. Okay, so these devices will communicate with each other. So if I need to send a data to some other devices, if I am sending a data computer to the printer, it will split the data. Okay, the computer will split the data into smaller datas. Okay, smaller datas. This is what called packets. This is called packets. Okay, it will divide the data into smaller packets, and this is called packet. Smaller data, and this is called packets. Okay, each packet has some additional information also. Some additional information which is called header. That information is called header. What are the information? Each computer has an IP address. Each device has an IP address. Your mobile phone also has an IP address. The computer also have an IP address. Printer also have an IP address. So it will in that header you have the address of the IP address of the sender and the IP address of the receiver. Okay, IP address of the sender as well as the IP address of the receiver. So it will the packets will send to the switch, okay, or hub. It will send the data to the switch or the hub. Then it have an inbuilt software. The switch has an inbuilt software that read the header. The information is address of the sender and the address of the receiver. The switch will read it and it will forward that packet to the corresponding printer, okay, corresponding cable, which means printer. Here I am sharing the data to the printer. Okay, so the printer can receive the information. So this is the process of LAN, and it can be used in schools, home, computer laboratory. It is used only to the limited area because you can see here there is some ports only connected with each other, 1 2 3 4 5, some ports only in switch. So this is used only for the limited area. Okay, this is the process of LAN. Okay, thank you.